This video will show you how to remove and install the sway bar on your CAT UTV. Do not perform any lubrication, maintenance, or repair on CAT equipment until you have read and understand the operation and maintenance manual for the product. Information in the video complements, but does not replace the detailed safety information featured in CAT operation and maintenance manuals and service manuals. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Here are the tools required for this task. With the vehicle in park, use a jack to lift the vehicle and then secure the vehicle on support stands. Using a 15mm wrench on the flat spot of the sway bar link, remove the upper and lower sway bar link lock nut. Remove the 4 sway bar link bushings. Repeat for the other side. Position the new sway bar link into the upper A-arms with 4 bushings as shown. Install the new sway bar link lock nuts. Tighten so that there are 2 to 3 threads exposed on the upper sway bar link and 5 to 6 threads exposed on the lower sway bar link. Repeat for the other side. Remove the vehicle from the secure support stand. This concludes the video on how to remove and install the sway bar on your CAT UTV. For more information, contact your local participating CAT UTV dealer.